Hello everybody, I am Everett Hall and this is for a biophysics class to demonstrate how to communicate with non-scientists. And as you've already seen in the video, or rather the site, that this is about Ohm's law. So this is a simple way to describe Ohm's law, and as you were reading through the site, you saw a power wheel, but a more simple version of the power wheel is the power triangle you can see here. This is E, which stands for volts, this is I, that stands for amps, and this is R, that stands for ohms. Now, what's important is that if you plug up one of the variables, it's E divided by I will give you R. And if you plug up E, or cover it up, it's I times R, and you'll find the answer for volts. And if you cover up the answer for I, you'll find that volts divided by R gives you amps, which is I. So whatever one that you want to find, you just put your finger over it, and then that will then tell you the intended mathematical operation for your answer. Now, the one on the site is the power wheel, and here is P for watts, E for volts, I for amps, and R for ohms. And then there are mathematical operations around this entire circle here that can be performed to find out the answer. So the same way over here that you covered up the R, I, or E, you do the same thing over here, and then this right here is watts, and that is what your bill is that you have to pay every month, your electric bill. Now, we're talking about circuits, and series circuits is the first and most simple type of circuit, and that is on the site, and it looks something like this. That's a light, and here's another light, and there's going to be a wire that goes in between here, and another wire over here, and another wire over here, and then you'll have some sort of a power source right here, right? Now, let's say this is a plug. Technically, this is wrong, because this is drawn out as a DC schematic, but don't pay attention to that, it's okay. So, if we were to break the circuit here, much like in the old Christmas lights, the light would no longer light up because it's effectively not a complete circuit anymore. It's kind of like erasing the path from A to B. So then it's broken here and the lights won't light up. However, in a parallel circuit, P is for parallel, there is a light here and a light here, right? And there's a wire that goes from here to here, and a wire that goes from here to here, and there is what they call a node, and then it goes to, sorry about that, it's hard to do this with one hand, so it goes to a power source, correct? And we'll just draw that like this, and a plug that you're going to plug your Christmas lights into, and that is the parallel. So if the wire gets cut here, this one from A to B has more than one path for the current to go through. So it's going to go up, and then through, and then around and down. Unlike the series where it was cut and it no longer would work, if we were to erase one of the paths for the current to go, then the only light that's not going to work is this one right here. But this one still lights up. And that is why this parallel circuit for the Christmas lights is a more practical way for the Christmas lights to be used. So I thank you for joining me in this video, and you can learn more about it on the site. There's a quiz at the end, so if you'd like to check it out, go ahead and have a great day and happy holidays.